A good thumbnail can be the difference between 1,000 views and 1,000,000 views. And making a good thumbnail requires skill and time. But you no longer need to worry about all this. In this video, I will show you a brand new AI tool that can create a thumbnail in just 3 simple steps, and you don't need to have any editing skills for it. The tool that we will be using is called Thumbmagic, and you can access it from the first link in description. To start using it, click here on Start Now and click on Sign Up if you are using it for the first time. Click on Sign Up with Google and you will get the option to select a Gmail ID. Select one of your choice and you will see an empty page like this. The reason this page is empty is because Thumbmagic is a brand new AI tool and they are gradually rolling out updates and design improvements. But right now, you can create thumbnails by clicking here, and we have 3 different methods to make thumbnails. The first method is by sharing the link of our video from YouTube. The second method is uploading our video file, and the third method is by providing the video transcript. You can use any of this. For this demonstration, we will provide a YouTube video link. You can see I have opened the Better Ideas YouTube channel, and let us say that I have made a video similar to this one that says why you are always tired, and I want to make a thumbnail using a different face in a different style. I will copy this video's link and paste it here in Thumbmagic. You can see the original thumbnail here. Click on Process Video, and now we have different thumbnail styles. Each thumbnail style has a name like text behind image, before after, educational, history, and much more. And these styles are extremely popular on YouTube. Right now, we have 9 long form styles and 3 short form styles. And as I already said, this is a brand new tool and more styles are expected to roll out in the future updates. Let's upload a face that we want to use in our thumbnail. Click on Create Avatar and you can give it a name. Here, we have some guidelines on how your face image should be. Make sure you follow them. I will click here and add an image. After uploading, click Create Avatar. You can see our face has been added and it is selected by default. Now, you can select a style that you want to use for your thumbnail. I will select the before after style because the title of our video is Why You Are Always Tired, and a before after image of a person shown tired and refreshed will suit the video. You can see the AI is analyzing our video and generating 3 different thumbnails, and this process will take about 20 seconds. You can see our thumbnails are ready, and the first thing I notice is that the text is not properly placed, but don't worry, you can fix it right here. Other than the text, you can see the face is same as the one that we uploaded, and the surroundings of our character are really good. The first half shows a tired character with a lot of clutter in a dark environment, and the second character is stress-free in a clean and bright environment. Click here on Add Title and you can give a name to this thumbnail, and it will appear as the default video title when you upload it to YouTube. Next is Edit with AI, and what you can do is place your cursor on the thumbnail where you want to make changes and then enter a prompt here like change the shirt color or the background color. I actually tried using this option to adjust the text position, but it didn't seem to work for me. Since the tool is still new and receiving regular updates, I hope this might be something that gets addressed in a future release. And this was a simple edit, so I fixed it in Canva in less than a minute. And now the final option is remove watermark. To remove watermark, we will need to go for a paid plan, but don't worry, Thumbmagic is very cheap right now, considering that freelancers on Fiverr have a minimum price of $5 for the most basic thumbnails. Click on subscribe and you can see the pricing here. For $19, we get 100 credits, and making thumbnail for one video requires 1 credit right now, which is approximately 5 thumbnails for $1, which is a very generous price. If you look at the Pro plan, the price reduces further to $1 for 10 thumbnails along with some extra features. And if you go for the yearly plan, the price reduces further by 40%. Overall, the pricing is very reasonable, and as you saw, other than the text, the thumbnail was really good, and it will only get better in the future. Depending on when you are watching this video, these prices and features might change. Thumbmagic is made by the same team that made Submagic, a popular AI tool for video captions, and based on their previous work, I think it is fair to say that this tool has strong potential to get even better in the future and become the most popular tool for AI thumbnails. Right now, it is not perfect, but it will definitely get there. To know more about Submagic, you can check the video on the left, and to know how you can build a website using AI, you can check the video on the right. If you like this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.